So here is some great news if you are trying to sign up as a TikTok Shop affiliate, but you don't have the 5,000 followers that you needed to have in order to qualify, because now you only need 1,000 followers in order to be eligible to apply. So this is what I just saw on TikTok and just wanted to kind of share this with, whoever's watching that could find this useful. It appears to me that TikTok is adjusting that criteria from 5,000 followers to 1,000 followers. So that's great news if you're starting from scratch. But I still saw someone saying in the comments that they do have over 1,000 followers and they did apply through this screen and got approved, but they're not able to add the product links yet as an affiliate. So maybe it just takes some time for TikTok to make that transition. I'm not sure, but it does seem to me that they are lowering the requirement from 5,000 to 1,000. That's what it seems like. So if you're someone watching this and able to qualify with just 1,000 followers, I would love for you to leave me a comment and let me know if it works. It's good to get a confirmation. And any other questions from anybody else, feel free to also leave me a comment below. And I hope to see you in the next video.